Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Tama si Duckling.
Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Lagyan natin ng helmet. Parang hindi sa
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's get the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the
What
sewers.
you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
si Blue. Let's go. Okay na. Meron pa ako isang naiwan. Glass. Yung eyeglass. Oh my God. Balik-balik tayo. Nakuha ko na kanina. Glass. Eyeglass mo. Okay, let's go, let's go. Time check, 8:52. Yes! Down. So, time check mga kaibigan. Alas 8:53 ng umaga. Ngayon po ay linggo. Yun. Kaya mo naman tayo magpapadyak, magpapapawis. Yan. Siyempre, nag-auto na yung ating relative. Oh, diba? So, let's go. Ating travel body. Ayan. Bagong travel body. Tapos mo tayo ng basura. Mga box. Pumasok ka. Pasok ka. Yan. Siyempre, sarado muna natin ito para hindi malaglag. Minimize natin yung ilaw. So, let's go. Isang side lang. Isang side lang. Ayan, para madali mo. Tignan. Yun o. Please guide me, O Lord. Thank you very much. Let's go. Bago si Buddy, ano to? Yan. Sarado natin yung helmet yun nasa harap. Takip para mag-easy. Ayun o. Si Buddy. Yes! Woo! Magra-ride sa pronggang buwan. Isasama ko ang body ko. Yan, yung dalawang body ko. Wow! Ang laki ng aso. Nakakatakot. So good morning mga kaibigan. Ngayon po ay linggo yan. Magpapadyak na naman tayo kung saan. Oh, siyempre huwag natin nakalimutan mag-pray, magdasal na maging safe tayo sa ating mga paglalakbay sa araw-araw. Saan man tayo magpunta, ano ating mga ginagawa ay gagabayan. Gabayan tayo ng Panginoon. Thank you, Lord. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please take care of me. Thank you. Magigil yung aso. Gustong kumawala eh. Gustong kumawala sa kanyang amo. So, andito tayo sa Vision Avenue 11. Yan, may papalabas na kanila lang. Ayan na. Bilisan mo. Daming kumakain. Mamaya na tayong kumain. Pagdating natin ng Coney Island. Yeah. So yung tubig, huwag natin kalimutan. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan yung wallet natin, ha. Kapag pambili ng pagkain, hindi ko lang wallet. Siyempre, kailangan yung wallet may laman. Kung wala yung wallet, kung walang laman yung wallet, huwag mo nang dalhin. Go. Paano ko kakaliwa? Iyan, sarap kumain, ha. Mamaya na tayo kumain. Papawis muna tayo. Tingnan nyo yung mga dinadaanan nyo, hindi yung mga cellphone ninyo. Bunutan ko yung kilay mo, eh. Ito, magbigay ka naman, pre. Alam ko din sasakyan ka. Higit ka yan, ay apaw. Ayan, may nila lang na lumabas. Dapat may gwardiya dun sa labas. Titignan niya kung may paparating na sasakyan, tao, hayop, bagay na. Saka hindi magka-aksidente. Nandun si Manong sa loob ng ganyang guard house. Nagpipindot doon. Pwede pa yan, go. Yeah, shit. Sorry. Go. Si Lolo. Ano may gusto ko kay Lolo? Oh! Nag-exercise. Ay, lumabas na. Yes! Woo! Good morning mga kaibigan. Ayun, hindi po mainit ang panahon. Sinisipon ako kanina pagkagising. Lahat ng mga kasalubong mong tao ngayon nakatingin sa cellphone, naglalakad, tumatawid sa kalsada, sa crossing na katingin sa cellphone. Bawal po yun, ha? Minsan po kasi Nagte-text ako, tignan ko yung cellphone, nanonood ako ng kung ano-ano. Hinarang ako ng officer. Sabi niya, bawal yan, huwag kang manonood sa... Okay, standby. Go. Bawal pumanood ng cellphone, ha? Habang nagda-drive. Siyempre habang naglalakad, huwag din magsi-cellphone. Tingin ka sa paligid. Excuse me po, barado po ang carburetor natin. Abot pa ba? Abot pa tayo. Saan mo, pre? Abot pa yan. Abutin natin. Go. 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 Diretso lang. Yes. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Tinta red light tayo. Woo! Woo! Si Manong naiwan. Kung meron pang 1 second, pwede pa yun. The difference between now and then is 1 second, ha? So yung mahalaga, yung 1 seconds mo, 1 second lang, walang S. Ay, napakahalaga. Hey! Hey! Hey, kwak! Let's go! Kwak dito. Ayan! Ayan na. Picture na tayo. Lagi na lang. Siyempre ang ating bagong body, ang kanyang best friend, si Duckling. Yeah. So time check, alas 9:05 ng umaga. Let's go mga kaibigan. Tayo magpapatuloy magpa-jog, magpapawis. Yun. Huwag sayangin ang mga oras, minuto. Yun. So yun mga kaibigan, hanggang dito muna. See you again later. Bye bye. GoPro, stop recording.